Hello, and thank you for joining us once again for another episode. Now, consider working for justice on your own, thinking that a person who calls themselves a Muslim, but is as ignorant as a disbeliever and just as disobedient, how can they excel compared to a disbeliever just because of their name, attire, and dietary differences? Islam is not about a particular race, family, or clan. It's about a father becoming a son, and a son becoming a grandson on their own merits. Here, it's not that a Brahmin's son, no matter how ignorant or wicked, will excel just because he is born into a Brahmin family and belongs to a higher caste, while a Dalit's son, despite excelling in knowledge and virtue, will remain inferior just because he was born into a lower caste and is marginalized. Here, God has clearly stated in his book, whoever recognizes God the most and is the most obedient, he is the one who is honorable in the sight of God. Prophet Abraham was born in a household of idol worshippers, but he recognized God and obeyed his commands, so God made him an imam for all of humanity. Prophet Noah was born in a disbelieving family, but he did not recognize God and was disobedient, so God did not care for his lineage, and he inflicted a punishment on him that serves as a lesson for the world. So, understand it well that in God's eyes, the difference between humans is based on knowledge and action, both in this world and the hereafter. His mercy is only for those who recognize him, know his straight path, and obey his commands. Those who lack these qualities, whether their names are Abdullah or Abdul Rahman or Deen Dayal or Carter Singh, there is no difference between them in the sight of God, and they do not deserve his mercy. Thank you for tuning in and being a part of our journey. Thanks for watching. Join our community of passionate viewers, and subscribe today to stay inspired and never miss out on our latest content.